Hey everyone, friends, I'm Valor. Today I'll show you how to return items in Roblox. To do this, go to the Roblox website. Okay? Here, scroll all the way down and click the Help button. So we select payments, gift cards, and subscriptions, right? And here we look for what we need. Up top, you can just type refund. There, click here and read through this if you need to. And so if you didn't find a solution here, right, in this tab, like for invalid purchases and refund requests, you can read about it here, yeah. There's also a button to contact technical support. We need to click on it and fill out a request here. Enter your username here, okay? Next, enter your name. Enter your email address and then the device you most often play the game on. And here we need to select it. I'll find it and be right back. Oh, well, you can take billing and payments, yes. So I want to report an unauthorized charge or request a refund. There. So click request a refund, and right here I want to refund my item. Yes, my item. Here we write the item name, like some wings, let's say yes. So your item, you can also find it in your profile. Yes, you'll have it here, yes. And here will be its ID. You can also send it. You can paste the full link here. Yes, because yes, we write here the reason why we want to return the item. Usually within 14 days, they can even return it, well, pretty easily. If it's longer than that, well, write a different reason here and click the continue button. After that, you wait for a response. Well, we pass verification, yes, and after that we'll wait for support's response and they should return it to you. This was well. Bye everyone.